Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. A buka for our jolly jolly. Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint with a great difference. Mama Put is a special kind of buka. Boy. This buka is a special joint.
So you and my wife now don't plan to chop my money? You don't go work for now.
I beg. I'm not there ready for this wahala this morning, no.
Make I ask you. Since when your mama born you, you don't ever buy one bag of cement? Make it remain block. You dey here now, they make noise. My rent, you go pay me. Oh.
See you. Landlord, make I tell you, they know they carry house, they travel. Shey you hear me? Make this your house so you get, no they shack you. Because me, I not from bush come out, I from house come out. Say you get opportunity to build house for town. No me say you gonna embarrass the disgrace.
Close your mouth there.
Sort person anyhow.
Close your mouth there. I dey talk, you dey challenge me, abi.
Let himself.
That bush where you from come, you get any house?
I dey ask you, now wetin be your problem?
See, wetin I want, I want me you be my girlfriend, Then all your problems don't finish. You see that house when I dey stay? Nobody go ask for rent again. If you even want bigger house, I go give you. You no go pay.
Oga landlord, you see as you dey, shame no dey your eye. I say shame no dey your eye. You look me finish. Rosa, now you come dey ask me for friendship. Old man like you, look fine fresh girl like me. You dey call me, you dey ask for friendship.
See, Rosa, you even find pass when you dey vex. See, if you agree for me, your problem don't finish. Yeah? Just come near him.
Oga landlord,
come near him.
you know where? You dey hear? You know where?
Just come. No.
Useless man.
That's what you want, Amabi. And they come back.
Mama Put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama Put is a special kind of buka.
Mama Fubi, where is your young woman? Mama Fubi, come out here.
Welcome.
I know there for that welcome. The money when Mr. Okoro give you to pay me for rent, well.
I beg, make you no vex my husband.
I beg, you know they touch me.
I forget to tell you, say, him pay me money. But I don't use them.
My tenant pay you money to give me. You use them without you not tell me. I beg if now play me, just hang them. I want that money now.
See, make I tell you. As I come to see Mama, she know well. I carry the money give her. The remaining one, I use and make my hair.
Money where they give you to pay me. You take and they do for the Christmas. Come and talk. Come. If now play me, just hang them. You see that money? You go give me. Because I need them now.
Why you dey talk like this? Not be your mama.
So, I dey talk say the open eye for me, abi. You go give me that money. That money you go give me today.
I don't chop the money. If you like, call everybody where they this compound. I no one know. If you like, dance kokoma. You no consign me.
So you dey try me, abi?
Mama, I not give you money.
I don't see you. You don't give me any money.
Hey!
I think you don't see him. You don't see him say lie no good at all. Wait for me. Mama. Mama. How many times I don't call you, Mama?
If you like, call me 20 times.
Ozioma tell me say he pay you money to give me. Where the money?
If somebody give me money, I don't use them.
Hey!
Mama, why you go do that kind of thing? They give me money, I carry and give you. Ozioma give you, you carry am.
You get house. I dey ask you get house. Not my pikin house. The money not my pikin money. It concern you. If I eat am, it concern you.
Mama. So una two don arrange. Make una for kill me, abi. When they go pay una money, make una give me, una go share and chop. Come they talk on top, abi. Una think say na plenty grammar, now una go take cover am. You, that money.
Oh, leave me alone,
Give me.
abeg. See,
Mama,
Thomas,
come out here.
if you like, kill him. You not concern me.
Mama, come out here.
If you like, kill him. You not concern me.
Mama, you go
If
give
you
me.
touch me,
Mama, you go give me that money.
Thomas.
Mama, you go give me that money. Oh.
I see say you strong.
Eh.
Make
I
I
not
dey
get
go
to na
house. Leave me
time.
alone. Leave me.
I
Leave
don't
me.
want make
Mama, you go give me that money.
Make una fight.
Mama, you go give me
If you
that
touch
money.
me again.
Leave me now.
Wait.
Mama, make I run. I'm not feeling for you, Thomas.
Mama, give me that
I'm
money.
not feeling for you. Mama, Thomas, I'm not feeling for you. If your wife come for you, me, I'm not feeling for you. I'm not feeling for you, Mama.
Okay.
Okay, landlord, good morning, no.
Okoro, come. Okoro,
Yeah, landlord.
who get this one?
Landlord, I just buy a mo. I just buy a new. Make I take day like others.
Okoro,
Eh?
you wicked. Hi. I know say my tenant is the wicked oh, but now you wicked pass all my tenants. Today you don't carry this one come. Last week you carry big fridge, you come. Last 2 weeks you carry another electronics, where did they call am? You come. After you go tell me say you no get money.
Hey. Okay, landlord. Now because of this TV why I buy, now make they call me wicked man. How I take wicked now? Eh? I dey pay my rent and I know they owe you. A small change will remain. Now I carry go buy this
I beg
one.
you stop with that plenty talk where they talk. Come I tell you. As you don't get money, to they buy they carry come my house. I don't increase your rent. From this month where we dey, you not go to pay me 5,000 again. Go to pay me 10,000 every month. I don't tell you.
Landlord is the joker. It's a big play. Every time you go they play.
Okoro,
I beg, buy enter house.
Okoro, I know the joke. I mean them. Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Every day you go say you don't get money. Then when you don't gather the money, you go take and go they give all these electronic sellers. Then me, you go come count small shishi, come give me at the end of the month. Like me, I no go loss. So. See, as you don't get money to the buy. Every month to now, I don't increase your rent. You go they pay me 10,000 every month. Or carry your yeye load to come up from my house. Not be by force.
Landlord, you be which? I dey ask you be which? I say you be enemy of progress.
Woo!
See, I buy new electronics, keep inside the room while they pay you. Now you take because of them, they increase my rent.
Okoro,
I don't say and say you no be better person.
you know why I dey laugh?
I already know you no be better person.
You know why I dey laugh? I don't want make you make me vex. You dey hear me so? You too small to make me vex. You see what I tell you? I don't tell you finish. 10,000 every month. If you no fit pay, carry your load come up for my house. Ma put other people. You fit dey go now. I bet they go. Don't talk finish with you. Go now. Abi you won't fight me. They go.
What kind of problem be this one now? Eh? See, I buy new electronics, keep for my house. It don't become problem. Now make this one they increase my house rent. Hi. I don't say this man na witch. Na enemy of progress. Other landlord and they happy say their tenants they progress, but in own they still dey vex am. No wahala. Share money, you will come collect am from my hand. You will come collect am.
Special joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
Thank you.
Come, no only you want eat this one, Abi.
Now two of us.
I don't fear.
Agbe. Where them? Chai. So, Agbe. Chai. So, you and your girlfriend, una get the mind, go break the door where I lock, Abi. What the person they talk to? Come, it's just an idea.
Landlord, leave am abeg.
I don't suffer. See, Papa Fubi, if you don't leave my clothes now, if you don't leave my trousers, what did I go do you, What did I go do you?
If you like men, shut eye, open your chest. My money?
Hey.
Papa Fubi, leave her for clothes now.
Mama put your mouth for this matter.
Papa, Muna see me see wahala. This man say Moku pack come off your house. When our rent never expire.
For waiting.
Even soccer away, that soccer away with the house. Where all of us know say the soccer away don't fool. This man say make me and Nancy carry our money, go repair them.
For waiting.
Even the roof with the leak water, he say we carry our money, repair them, say you be a landlord.
Make I know whether now this your God Georgie go deliver you from my hand today. My money, or I go deal with you for here.
Where that kind of thing dey happen?
That one bad now. Oga landlord, leave her for clothes.
I thought I said this man a wicked man. You be very wicked man. Not only you get house for this time, every day, every time, you and your tenant they get problem, they fight. You know if you allow them drink water, keep cup.
So
What did they do yourself?
now me now they talk to like that.
Now you are they talk to. What's happen?
Wait for me. Come.
Come.
here.
So you not gonna respect your old age, Abi? You not gonna respect your old age.
Me now they talk to like that. Huh? What you go do?
Say what? I don't kill you.
You won't kill person.
Hey, you never reach like that now.
You never reach like that, Abi. If they keep you quiet, you go just dey misbehave for yard.
We be one now.
Now you know so will be one.
So Oga landlord, because they won't knock you, or they don't knock you, now it make you say we be one. As you dey give your tenants trouble, you don't know say we be one. You know they good now. My people, when they see this kind thing, if you be landlord out there, treat your tenants well. Treat them well, I beg. Don't forget as you get that house don't stay so tey. Wetin oyibo people dey call wear and tear go dey happen. The house self go tire. Now your duty as landlord, if your roof dey leak to fix am. Now still your duty as landlord to repair your sockaway if your sockaway don full or it collapse. I beg, make you no forget say those people wey be tenants today go be landlord tomorrow. Papa Fubi, I hope you don't hear.
Mama I don't repent. Yes. The increment I put for the house before, I don't come out all of them. Even, I don't give them 1 month free.
Yeah?
Make they stay for my house.
Wait, this one na effect of the beats, Abi. You mean what they talk?
No, I mean them.
Hey! Landlord, he never finish. What of our roof where they leak and they suck away?
I go repair all of them.
Now use your mouth talk.
But these children, they won't give me now. Mama all the food where they don't chop. Put them on my account, I go pay. Give them one plate to join them.
Hey! Landlord!
You mean now? Oh yeah, sorry, you don't do.
We're supposed to get respect now.
You don't do.
Make una sit down, make I give una extra.
That's
Give
my
me my give me my sippers.
Don't hear yourself.
Oga landlord. Now what?
Landlord, come sit down.
Sit down, make I give you food.
Mama these children won't do me.
Mama since now landlord go pay, add another one for us.
No wahala.
Add another one.
Add another one, sharp. I don't add another one.
Mama to give me 2.
I go give you.
I don't do.
Welcome to this Buka joint. This na very special Mama put.
Brother, see here.
Soki. Landlord, I agree to. This one, I not get plenty thing to talk. Now me I invite you come. Waiting I want tell you be say, I don't increase your house rent. From 5,000 to 10,000. beginning from this month.
Ah, Oga landlord, which can talk with this one now? Eh? Which can talk with this one? Me, I don't understand what you dey talk. Oh.
Soki,
Which can play with this?
Soki, you look me finish. Can't look me like person where they play, abi. Wetin I tell you so? I mean am. From 5,000 to 10,000 every month, beginning from this month. If you no fit pay, carry your yeye load comot for my house. No quarrel for inside.
Oga landlord, I don't know why you dey do like this. You no get pity for somebody? Eh? You no dey pity somebody? You know say me and your sister would arrange how we go take do our marriage. Now you say make I pack comot. Make I ask where I go pack go now.
Soki, that one no concern me. How I go pity you? Pity you unto waiting. Say your body no complete, abi you dey sick. See, I don't tell you. If you no say you no fit pay my rent, 10,000 every month, carry your yeye load comot for my house. Wetin again dey? I don't talk finish. You fit go now.
Me, I don't know what you dey talk. You go just stay, you just dey increase your house rent, that's why they increase them. It is some money, then they pick up for grant. I don't know why they behave like this, all this landlord them.
See am. Ordinary rent now you no fit pay. They tell me you wan marry my sister. Now today we start to hear say you wan marry. Every year you dey tell me I wan marry your sister, I wan marry your sister. You wan come take that one, take do excuse. I go deal with all of una. Make una wait for me.
See, brother, take am easy. You no say things dey hard now.
Nkechi, so I dey talk to my tenant. You dey put mouth abi? Wait for me. Yeah, girl. Adult dey talk. Small pikin come dey put mouth. I no blame you because you dey there, I dey feed you, you dey chop, you dey grow fat. Me, I dey lean. I go deal with all these tenants. Either una pay my money, una comot. I put another tenant. Nonsense.
We say make we come see you. Number one thing we carry us come be say the soccer way wey we dey use, e don full.
No be only that one o. Even our roof sef don dey leak. Now we say make we come see you so that you go find way come repair am for us.
Na true wey you talk. Na true.
Now don't talk finish.
We don talk finish now.
Now don't talk everything finish.
Na so.
Make I ask you now. Now don't ready for my question?
We don ready.
We ready?
The soccer we don't full so. Who they use them?
Na we dey use am now.
The roof where they leak. Who they stay inside?
Na we.
Na we na.
So, una go gather all una friends. Come shit to fool my soccer away. Now only God know what una do to my house where they leak. Now una want make I come repair am. See, make I tell una. If una no say, na no fit repair that my house. When I pack una load come up from my house.
You say?
Oga landlord, that one wey dey talk no go work at all. He never stay when we pay rent. Which one be more pack comot?
Whoa.
Huh? Hey. So, una come to challenge me, abi? See, I give una only 1 week. May una contribute money. In fact, may una not call anyhow person, may come spoil my house. Come tell me. I go use my hand, bring experts. We go repair the soccer way and the roof. If not, 1 week pass. Una no contribute money, call me. May una consider una self say una don't come up from my house.
No go work.
No, man, ask you. For this compound, no only we dey use that soccer way.
Oh, ask am.
No only we. Huh?
So, e don reach the level where una come to challenge me, abi? I don't tell una wetin I want tell una, make una come dey go. Abeg, make una dey go.
No dey push am abeg.
Come.
No dey push am.
Come out there.
Oga landlord, you wan try again for this compound? Push me again. Wait. Huh?
So, una wan fight me, abi? Una wan fight me? Okay. Oh yeah.
Wetin you wan do?
Make una fight. Who I go
Abeg
blow?
go dey.
Come fight.
Leave am, the money go.
Come fight.
Hey.
Where did this one they laugh? Apple.
Continue.
Apple, bust their nose, bust their eye. They won't come try me. I for sure they say I be old soldier when no they ever die.
My rates never expire. I don't know why you dey worry me. I may make you go. And later.
Why they talk like say you no understand the situation of this country? Mama put, why they talk like say you don't know how wetin dey happen for this country? You know how things be for this country. And they tell you say my body need money. Try understand now.
Wait oh. Papa Fubi. Your body need money. Now my shop you go carry and come. Then you go ask your tenants the way they owe you now. I know they owe you.
Mama put, you don't send a year. Now you take the feed your family. If you don't take an enter logic, I go come out for here.
You go do it.
You go come out for this place.
You know go fit. Papa Fubi, you know go fit come out me for here. I know they owe you. My rights remain 2 months. You think I don't know my rights? Even if you won't give me quick notice, you go give me extra 6 months to come out. How much more say I know they owe you? Go call police.
So,
call police.
So, this thing why I come make we talk and peacefully. Now you want come carry the do logic. Okay. I see. All my tenants now they worry me, abi. I go come out all of now. Mama put, you see you go come out for this place.
You no go fit
I go put another person.
I know they owe you.
Okay now.
I know they owe you. Come out for my shop.
No worry.
Come out for my shop. I know they owe you.
I won't come out now. I go come back. You go not say na me get this place. You go not say na me be the landlord.
Go call police.
You dey shout for me.
I know they owe you. Come out here.
Mama put, you dey challenge me, abi? Me? You dey challenge me? I dey come back. They hear me so?
Nothing you go fit do.
You go come out from my house.
Go call police. Call police.
No worry now. I dey come back. All of una wey dey my house, where they challenge me, I go deal with all of una. I go come out una from my house.
Oga landlord, I know dey your house. Now empty space now you give me.
Yes.
My rent never expire. Remain 2 months. Make you dey go. When e expire, I go pay you.
Okay now.
Joint. Welcome to Mama Special Buka.
If you agree for what I tell you, I could take your responsibility. Yes, I could take your responsibility and train you to any level you want for this life.
Forget that talk.
Babe,
forget Sam. You dey wash me, forget Sam.
Babe, I know the wash.
See, ma tell you. No be you be the first person who don't tell me this kind of thing. So forget this kind of thing. Forget what they talk, abeg. Forget Sam.
Wait, you dey doubt me?
I dey doubt you.
You dey doubt me? Come on, show you something.
Ma, see am.
Una don go hospital, go check una blood group. Una don go check HIV and genotype. This one where your face they change like this. Inform.
Mama.
Answer me. Una don go check una blood.
We don't check.
Soki, you get HIV?
No.
Talk to me now. What happen?
Mama.
Ha.
Soki na AS. Me too na AS.
Hi. Hey. That be soon I no go marry you. This marriage no go work. It no go work at all. Hey.
Mama put is a special kind of joint. A special joint for entertainment. Mama put is a special kind of buka. A buka for our jolly. Mama put is a special kind of joint. A special joint with a great difference. Mama put is a special kind of buka. Boy. This buka is a special joint. This buka with a great difference. We dey teach you how to live your life.